from the smart, eco-friendly road travel of the future. Greetings! This is the innovative Skoda Motorhome 2026 concept, which combines traditional Skoda utility with a splash of uniqueness and modern flair. The motorhome's sleek, aerodynamic, and minimalistic design combines Skoda's recognizable sharp lines with modern features like possibly integrated solar panels on top and large windows that provide the impression of greater space. The 2026 Skoda Motorhome is powered by many innovative and effective engines beneath its elegant facade. An eco-friendly plug-in hybrid, PHEV version that combines a strong electric motor with a potent turbocharged gasoline engine is probably going to be available. It will provide a significant all-electric range in addition to range-extended capabilities for long excursions. For emission-free driving, an all-electric EV variant will also be offered. Thanks to the latest battery technology created by the Volkswagen Group, it will have a greater range and operate more smoothly and softly. Upon entering, you are greeted with a highly modern and ergonomic dashboard. A sizable floating touchscreen will serve as the main control center, providing easy access to the most recent infotainment system, state-of-the-art augmented reality navigation, and a number of other vehicle functions. Important information will be shown in a clear, modern way on the fully configurable digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel. The dashboard's materials, which may include imaginative recycled materials, will highlight Skoda's commitment to sustainability by fusing soft touch with elegant accents. As soon as you approach the main interior area, you will be greeted by a spacious, multifunctional room. Despite the warm LED ambient lighting and subdued colors that create a relaxing atmosphere, the Skoda aesthetic and practical Scandinavian design will be evident. Sofas and armchairs made of premium fabric or vegan leather will be folded up or moved about to create a dining space or even a second bed in the living room. Thanks to the magnificent views offered by the big panoramic windows outdoors, you can engage with nature wherever you travel. The sleeping area is designed to be as cozy and secluded as possible, even though it's an RV. To save space while not in use, the main bed will be a comfortable queen or double bed that slides out or folds down. There are also clever, hidden storage cabinets for clothing and personal items all around the bed. Dim lighting and heavy draperies will provide a comfortable night's sleep after a day of exploring. The thoughtful design and functionality of the Skoda Motorhome 2026 bathroom will wow. A compact sink with hot and cold water taps, a high-pressure integrated shower, and a contemporary, user-friendly cassette toilet are all part of the space-efficient design. There will be mirrors, perfect lighting, and materials that are moisture-resistant and readily cleaned. The integrated kitchen will be the main attraction of your RV. Its ergonomic design includes a stainless steel sink, a microwave or convection oven, a large refrigerator and freezer, and a 2-burner induction cooktop for EV efficiency. There will be plenty of room for storing food and utensils in sophisticated cabinets and drawers with a secure locking system for travel. Worktops made of sturdy, easily cleaned materials allow you to prepare delicious meals in the middle of nature.